Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue with the Standard 6, Chapter 7, Working with Animate CC. तो सिंबल एंड एनिमेशन के अंतर्गत सिंबल एक रीयूजेबल ऑब्जेक्ट होता है फॉर स्टैटिक इमेज और एनिमेशन. इट इज आइदर क्रिएटेड, या तो ये क्रिएट किया जाता है एनिमेट में या विद द हेल्प ऑफ द ड्राइंग टूल्स, और इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम अदर सोर्स, या तो इसको क्रिएट किया जाता है या फिर इंपोर्ट करा लिया जाता है. समझे ना. फिर इसमें स्टेप्स है हाउ टू क्रिएट ए सिम्बल्स, और मुख्य बातें जो हैं यहाँ कि F8 इज द शॉर्टकट फॉर द कन्वर्ट ऑफ सिंबल ऑप्शन, और Ctrl+L इज द शॉर्टकट टू ओपन द लाइब्रेरी पैनल. यू कैन क्रिएट मल्टीपल इंस्टेंस of the same symbol by dragging the symbol from library panel to the stage. दूसरा बात, any changes that you make if affects only the instant, not the symbol. ठीक है. उसके बाद using the animation में animate provide 3 type of twinned animation: motion twin, shape twins and classic twins. And the main difference between these type of twinning is that motion and the classic twinning works on symbol, and whereas the shape twinning is used with the object that are not symbol and are ungrouped. यही मुख्य डिफरेंस है इसमें. उसके बाद Ctrl+Enter और select control test movie in animate to view the effect of the motion twins. You can view all the frame created between the starting and the ending keyframe of the twinned animation by using the onion skin feature. There are the 2 type of the onion skin. Onion skin option display frame in full color, whereas the onion skin outline option you can view the outline of the object in the frame. Morphing refers to the special effects in the animation and that transform one shape into another shape through the seamless transition, and you can also group multiple objects. To do so, select the object and click the modify group or Ctrl+G combination. Playhead is represented by the red vertical line in the timeline windows. Now, recapping of this chapter, a symbol is the reusable object for the static image or the animation. In animation, the movement from one keyframe to the other become convenient with the use of the twinning method. Shape twinning is used to change the shape of one object into another. Motion guide defines the path of the movement of an object. Classic motion guide is the way to create a motion guide and define the random path that should be followed by the object while in motion. Morphing refers to the special effects in animation that transform one shape into the another through a seamless transition. The paint brush tools used to draw the stylish brush strokes. Now fill in the blanks. A symbol is the reusable object for the static image or the animation. There are the 3 types of the symbol. Morphing refers to the special effects in the animation that transform one shape into the another shape. The shortcut to convert any object into symbol is F8. In Animate, a set of the paint brush called brush library are available by default. We can create only one instance of a symbol. Is the false. उसके बाद motion twinning works on the symbol is the true. Shape twins works if the object is converted into the symbol is the false. The property inspector in Animate display all the attributes regarding the object that is the selected is the true. We cannot edit the property of the graphic symbol is the false. These are the true false. Now MCQ. The Ctrl+L is the shortcut key to open the library and dialog box. To preview the animation effect, press Ctrl+Enter key combination. And motion guide define the path of the movement of an object. Playhead is represented by a red vertical line in the timeline windows. The onion skin outline option display only the outline of the object in the frames. These are the objective of the chapter 7. next day I will continue with the chapter 8, that is the introduction of Python. Thank you. Have a nice day.